I'll be showing you step by step how to add a new collection to your Shopify Dawn theme. So let's start from our Shopify dashboard. We're going to navigate to the left-hand side here under products. If I click on products, this will open up my products menu plus all my sub-product menus. And I want to pay attention to the collection section. Once I click on that, it will show me all the existing collections in my Shopify store. But we're interested in adding a new one. So I'm going to go to the top right here and click on Create Collection. This is going to enable me to create a brand new collection for my Shopify store. If I zoom in here, there are several options we can edit. The first one is the title. So the title for my collection, let's just call this Summer Collection. I can add a description for it, maybe describing the type of products or the type of products that are included. Underneath here, I have my collection type. So I can set this to manual or automated. For manual, I can add any products manually to this collection one by one. There are also automated rules. So this is going to apply for existing and any future products that match these rules, but they could be all conditions or any conditions. And it could be based on things such as the product tag, the title, the category, the price, the weight, the variant. You can also have different meta fields. So just about every option you can think of. Let's say I want to create a product collection that only has a specific summer tag, and this would fit with my summer collection here. For now, I'm going to select manual, as I'll manually add a few products to this collection. At the bottom, we see our search engine listing. So this is going to be how it appears on search engines such as Google. So this will be automatically filled out based on this information, but you can also manually adjust it yourself. On the right hand side, we can see our publishing. So these sales channels, we want it to be included. It's going to depend what you have set up, but I have a few apps installed in this store. So I can see TikTok, Google, the buy button, and Facebook and Instagram. We can also add a overall collection image. So depending where it's showing up on our store, it might pull this instead of the first product. Lastly, there is a theme template, but I am going to leave this as the default collection. Now to finalize my changes here, I'm going to click on Save in the top right hand side, and I now get the ability to manually add my product. So I'm just going to add one product to this collection, and it's going to be the outdoor camping bag. So I'm going to click on that there, hit add. And now I have a product in my brand new collection here. If I want to view this collection, I can go to the top here, click on view, and this will open up the exact URL this collection is available on. So in a nutshell, that's how we add new collections. Let's also go and add this to our homepage so our customers can discover these new summer products. So if I navigate back to my Shopify store, going down to online store, I'm going to go to customize. This should be under themes, and that should open up automatically. Clicking on customize. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so it's a little easier to see. I'm going to add this collection right below my featured products. So on the left-hand side under add section, I'm going to click on featured collection, clicking on this featured collection element. If I go to the right-hand side now under the collection section, it should let me select any of my existing collections. If I click on summer collection, then I go down to the bottom right, and there should be a select button, and that adds my featured collection to my homepage, and it has all the products from my summer collection. To finalize this, let's go to the top right-hand side and click on save. Before I go, I want to say that if you made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. So you should check out our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's a one-click calculator that syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by looking for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below where you can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself. And this finalizes the update. So this concludes the video here on how to add new collections to your Shopify Dawn theme. We looked at all the different settings you can create, as well as how to add it to the Shopify homepage. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.